Alright, we're going to try to do some more tummy time. Oh, Daddy. Oh, look at that head. Hello. Hey. Hey. What a different point of view. Oh, she's doing so good. Can you roll? You're doing so good. Oh, she's... Oh. Oh. Oh my God. She rolled over. Oh, we got it on tape. That was the first rollover.
I had to entice her with the teddy bear. Bring her away.
She rolled over like a big
I
girl.
think she's gonna go for it with her right hand.
Ah, that's good. Ah, that's cool. It's June 28th.
Nope. But she still wants something to play with. Hey, it's okay.